Hi there, this is Gary Hickey with James 410 Guns and Ammo, your only friend in the gun business. So when it comes to Glocks, people say, yeah, I have a Glock MOS. What is MOS? Okay, so MOS stands for Modular Optic System. And when you have a Glock MOS, what it means is that you can install a red dot optic on top of the slide. And we'll show you a close-up picture, but it would go right there. So if you have a Glock MOS, you can put a red dot on it. Informational. Now you know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Jesus loves you.